Welcome back everyone to Handle the Heat with the Frying Panchy. I'm your host, Fry. Today I'll be showing you how to make Sorullitos, a wonderful Puerto Rican dish. Basically a Puerto Rican form of the hush puppy, if you will. Very good, very tasty, especially if you're in the mood for something fried. So today, what you'll need is 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and of course, oil for frying. So, get your ingredients and let's make these babies. Oh! Get it? Because they're hush puppies? Puppies are dogs and dogs howl. Now you want to go ahead and take your 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, you're going to bring this to a boil. You want this nice and boiling. Now the stirring experience can be quite enlightening. One day I was making a soup actually, and within said soup as I was stirring I formed a vortex, and it became a portal. Well, that I could see through, I could not reach within. I tried, I burnt myself. Oh, I think I see another portal opening up. Alright, so it's been boiling for a bit now. Let's go ahead and move on to the next step. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn the heat to a very, very low flame. Personally, I just turn it off. You're going to want to add 1 cup of cornmeal. I'm using a half cup today. 1 cup. 1 cup of cornmeal, and after you got that, use a whisk to mix it all in. Woo. Just want to break up everything basically. Want to crush these coagulated cornmeal balls. And basically you want to, there we go. As it starts absorbing more of the liquid, I can stir and whisk a bit more. There we go. Viciously. So you want to do this for a good while, I say, so everything's nice and mixed in. And if you could whisk for anything in your life, what would it be? It'd be a whisk. Won't be needing this whisk anymore. You're going to add in the remaining 1/4 cup of cornmeal in here. Let's go ahead and even everything out. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a spatula to incorporate the remaining 1/4 of cornmeal. Alright, that should do it. You're going to let this sit back, let it cool, basically make it warm enough to where you're not burning the skin off of your hands. And we'll go ahead and skip to that moment right now. Now that it's cooled down, let's go ahead and mess with our masa, as we like to call it. It's called mass for you non-Spanish speakers. So you want to take your masa. Ooh, yeah, that's warm and hot. Woo! Nice. But you don't want to take this much. You want to take a little small ball. Just want to roll it up around. After you rolled it up, you could put it in the fryer like this, but Sorullitos are meant to be experienced in a very elongated way. So we're going to roll it up to a nice little noodle. Like so. And usually there's enough about in each ball to make 2. You don't want them too long. Just pinch off the sides and you're good to go. And this is about a good size for a Sorulito. Can flatten the ends a bit. There you go. We'll toss that in the fryer there, but let's make a few more, shall we? You know, the reason they call these hush puppies, or at least hush puppies in general, name comes from the chef from the year 1778, Chef LeBlanc, who was actually in Denmark that year. And he was at a kitchen in a hotel that he owned. And there was just a lot of dogs there for some reason. And they would always bark whenever he would throw stuff into the fryer. He had that mask and he threw it into the fryer just to experiment with it. And then the dogs start barking. You know what he's told them? He said, "Shut up, you lousy mongrels!" True story. And that's how you make Sorullitos. And that's